let's unbox this new pump. This is from Mom Cozy, and this is the V1 Pro Breast Pumps Hospital Grade Pump. By the way, hindi napansin yung mukha ko. Wala akong kahit ano on my face. Wala na akong time mag-makeup. This is the realistic face of a very haggard, very puyat, first-time mom with a 2 weeks and 4 days old newborn. So I have a lot of products na from Mom Cozy, and I really love the brand. The products are really good quality. The first one that I got from Mom Cozy, or the first product I got from Mom Cozy, is yung pump na M6, yung mobile pump. I use that all the time. And then I also have the Mom Cozy pillow. I also have the Mom Cozy nail filer. Yun din yung gamit ko na storage ng milk whenever I pump. I also have their lactating massager. So, I really love the products. I use them all the time, lalo na ngayong newborn stage. So, now, I got a new pump from them. By the way, I'm exclusively breastfeeding to my baby boy. Pero I pump occasionally. I'm trying to build my stash little by little para nahihelp ako ng husband ko na mag-feed kay baby during nighttime. Kapag may mga sessions sila ng feeding during nighttime, at least nakaka-sleep ako ng around 2 to 3 hours, which is a big help. Anyway, ang dami ko na sinabi. Let's unbox this. They have an operating guide and also a nipple measurement guide. I think this is the motor. Use manual and quick start guide. This is the manual, another manual, warranty card, and this is the nipple measurement tool, which is really very helpful, especially if this is the first time na bibili kayo ng mga pumps, because you have a guide on what flange to use. Flanges are really very crucial when you're pumping. Pwede siyang masakit kapag hindi tama yung flange nyo, and it will also affect your milk output. So it's really very crucial to choose the right flange size for you. This is the actual motor where you can turn on, turn it off, control the setting, charge. And then these are the flanges. Meron siyang silicone valve. So since this is a hospital grade pump, meron siyang tube or tubings na kasama. And these are the collection cups. So these are the collection cups. It looks so cute kasi para siyang pink, pastel pink. So I will wash this and sterilize it na so I can use it. And I will give you guys my thoughts in the next videos.